We are happy to have received a delegation from the sister Republic of Mali, high-powered, led by the Prime Minister himself of Mali. We acknowledge that a lot of the things that our former presidents were working to achieve are some of the reactions that we're getting in our present day in respect of our not having been able to achieve African unity, because they foretold that if we did not close our ranks and become even more united than we are, we would face, some backlash in terms of the divisions between our country. We note what is happening in the geopolitics of our sub-region and the unfortunate situation that is unfolding in the Sahel. It is not anything that is new, but it continues to become more grave than it was in the past. And I'm talking about the issue of insurgency and terrorism. And as I told Mr. Prime Minister, in Ghana we have a proverb that if your neighbor's house is on fire, you must assist him to quench it. Otherwise, when it finishes burning down his house, it will spread to yours. And so our security is a common objective, and we must work with each other to make sure that our sub-region is safe. We have noted the sovereign decisions of not only Mali, but Burkina Faso and Niger to form a separate confederation. But despite that, God put us together in this sub-region for a purpose. And so we continue to intermarry, we continue to trade, we continue to have relationships that go beyond our individual countries. And so we must recognize those. And despite the temporary setback that we're facing, we must continue to keep our relationships strong. And I believe that eventually we'll be able to integrate ourselves again as one body. We note the stalled progress in terms of our technical joint cooperation. The last meeting was held in 2011, and some discussions on cooperation were made. And we should have continued those discussions in 2012 in Mali, but unfortunately, the situation at the time did not permit that to continue. And so we're anxious to revive that process so that we can exchange technical teams to look at any bottlenecks that exist in our relationship in order that we can resolve them and make our two countries come even closely together. And so I welcome the delegation, and we exchange gifts and ask them to extend my happiest felicitation to my brother, the President of Mali, and to thank him for the delegation, and to express our sincerest appreciation for the honor done us in coming for the inauguration.
Nous étions porteurs des messages de la part de son Excellence le Général d'Armée Assimi Goïta, président de la transition, chef de l'État du Mali.
His Excellency President Goïta of the Republic of Mali,
qui nous a chargé de transmettre ses vœux de bonheur, de plein succès à son homologue et frère, le président de la République, John Dramani Mahama.
Our wish of goodness from Mali,
suite à sa brillante élection à la tête de la République du Ghana.
coming from after his election, his winning election, we are here to present to His Excellency his greetings.
Pour son Excellence le Général Goïta.
For His Excellency General Goïta.
Et pour le peuple malien.
For the people of the Republic of Mali.
L'arrivée au pouvoir de son Excellence le Président John Dramani Mahama.
Of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Est un espoir pour le panafricanisme.
It's a hope for the Pan-Africanism.
Et il a précisé qu'il est convaincu que son Excellence le président John Dramani Mahama est un héritier.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is someone who has heritage from his brothers, from his
Son Excellence Feu le président Nkrumah
from his predecessor Kwame Nkrumah
et le président Johnny Rawlings.
and President John Rawlings.
Et nous pensons également, compte tenu des liens séculaires entre le
And
Mali et le Ghana,
the secular bonds will always be continued.
à travers l'histoire,
Starting from the history,
l'histoire politique récente symbolisée par l'union Mali-Ghana-Guinée,
starting from bonds Mali, Guinea, Mali, and Ghana.
nous sommes convaincus
We are convinced
que nos deux chefs d'État ont l'opportunité de renforcer les liens de coopération
our two leaders have the way to enforce the cooperation
dans le domaine économique
in economical matters
et dans le domaine sécuritaire.
and then security.
Et nous saluons l'esprit de fraternité et de solidarité de son Excellence le président John Dramani Mahama.
Salute His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Également, lui rassurer du fait que le combat pour le panafricanisme aujourd'hui est
To
poursuivi
ensure us we are combating for the Pan-Africanism
par son Excellence le général d'armée Assimi Goïta, président du Mali,
with His Excellency President of the Republic of Mali.
un combat qui se poursuit également dans le cadre de la Confédération des États du Sahel, l'AES,
And the fight is also in the consolidation of the Confederation of IS
en collaboration très étroite avec leurs homologues, son Excellence le capitaine Ibrahim Traoré, président du Burkina,
collaboration with his Captain Ibrahim Traoré from Niger,
et le général de brigade
Burkina,
Abdurrahman Chani, président du Niger.
and Abdoulaye Chani, President of Niger.
L'objectif est très clair, c'est au moins de se battre pour la souveraineté véritable
We are fighting for African sovereignty.
Et je pense que cet objectif également rencontre la vision de son Excellence le président John Dramani Mahama.
And it's the same vision for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Nous avons profité de l'audience de la part de son Excellence le général d'armée Assimi Goïta pour remercier son Excellence le président John Dramani Mahama
In this way, we have a wish from His Excellency Goïta to wish once again to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama for winning the election.
Nous savons qu'il y a une forte communauté malienne vivant ici au Ghana
Know that there are many Malians in Ghana
qui se sentent à domicile.
who feel at home.
Ceci prouve l'esprit d'hospitalité et la bienveillance du peuple ghanéen.
In Ghana.
Je voudrais profiter de cette opportunité pour remercier son Excellence le président John Dramani Mahama et l'ensemble du peuple ghanéen.
For this side, I see this opportunity to thank His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Au nom de son Excellence le général d'armée Assimi Goïta,
In the name of His Excellency Assimi Goïta,
au nom de tout le peuple malien,
and in the name of all the people of the Republic of Mali.
nous prions Dieu qu'il accompagne son Excellence le président John Dramani Mahama dans cette exaltante mission.
See His Excellency John Dramani Mahama through.
Et nous prions également Dieu qu'il préserve nos pays
May the good Lord preserve our countries
et accompagne la coopération entre nos deux pays.
for a betterment of cooperative between the two countries.
Nous avons également à remercier son Excellence le président John Dramani Mahama pour l'accueil chaleureux.
We have also greeted His Excellency John Dramani Mahama
Nous a été réservé depuis notre arrivée ici à Accra.
since our coming to Accra.
Merci.
Thank you very much.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci.